Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? Chop plus D, chopped. L plus fur, lifer, chopped liver. If you can do that, you could win a brand new car as we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
Thank you, players. Thank you, Gene. Hi, everyone, and welcome again to Classic Concentration. Boy, what a year this has been, and it wraps up today on our program, and we have two very good players returning to compete on our show today. Let me introduce the lady on my left. Her name is Beth Ann Staub, and Beth Ann has won over $10,000 in prizes on our program. And we're delighted to have you back here.
I'm thrilled. Looking forward to getting a car today.
You celebrate New Year's?
I sure do.
What do you do normally?
Have a party.
A party? Do you go out to a party, or do you stay in your own home?
I usually go out to party.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, we're going to have a party on this half hour, believe me.
Good.
You're facing the same man that you faced on our last show. His name is Bruce Sad. Hi, Bruce.
How you doing?
I'm all right. What about you on New Year's Eve? What do you do?
On New Year's Eve, I usually go out to a party.
Go out to a party.
But
Special lady in your life, I take it?
no, unfortunately not.
No?
Not yet.
All right.
I'm still looking, so
Okay, well, you've still got a few hours to find one.
that's true.
But I'll tell you what. First game coming up right now, and here is a very special prize in honor of the day, of course. Oh, gosh.
You'll be having a ball instead of watching it fall as you ring in the new year with 25 of your favorite friends. You may bop till you drop and be everyone's favorite party animal when you celebrate and throw a party for 25 friends. Party, party, party! Alex.
Do they get to come to the party?
Yeah. Bruce wants to know if he gets to come to the party. Did I hear you right, Gene? Did you say you will bop till you drop?
You got it, man.
Thank you. Just wanting to check your credentials there, Gene. You date back to the 50s, don't you? The 1850s. Bop till you drop. All right, that party, without all of our staff members and without the NBC pages and the NBC security guard, can be found on our game board right here. Number one, party for you and 25 of your friends. Now, in addition to that, we have a holiday in Honolulu. So that's a good way to party as well.
Definitely.
Bruce, you've got the 1X against you. You lost the game. You get to go first today. Good luck.
Starting out behind already. Okay, let's start out with number 8.
Honolulu.
Good start. Okay, we're going to try and match that with number 14.
Fireplace set, no match. Beth Ann.
Oh, let's check number 7.
Recliner.
A recliner. What do we have under number 6?
200 California lottery tickets, so no match there either. Bruce.
A lot of opportunities here. Let's try number 17. Red take.
take.
We haven't seen a red take yet. Let's try and match the red take behind number 25.
Diamond and gold pin, no match again. Beth
Boy,
Ann.
oh boy. I'd like to see under number 15.
1-5, 10 shares of Tandy
That'd
stock.
be nice. What's under number 10?
Electronic keyboard, still no match. Bruce.
Still no match. Let's try number 3.
Wild card.
Okay.
What are you going to work your magic
You
with?
know what? I have spaced Honolulu. Let's see. Let's try number 7. Can you believe that?
I can believe it.
It's great, though. It's a great prize. Yeah.
Yes, the recliner is a great prize. We'll show you the
Good
natural
prize.
patch at number 19. So 3 doors open up for Bruce. Bruce is sad because he didn't find
Yes,
Honolulu.
that is true.
All right, pick again, Bruce.
Let's try number 21.
10
10
shares
shares
of Tandy.
Tandy. Let's match that 10 shares of Tandy with number 15.
Right. Now you're rolling. 2 more doors opening up for Bruce. Pick again.
Still nothing. Number 22.
200 California lottery
200
tickets.
California lottery, and we'll match that with number 11.
No, we won't. No, we won't. Beth Ann,
I believe it was number 6.
I think you're right.
And number 22.
You are correct. There's a match. Bruce missed it by just that one box. One level too short. 2 doors opening up for Beth Ann at this moment. Go again.
I think the gold pin was under 25. Oh,
Yes.
good. And number 11.
Number 11 for the diamond and gold pin. That is correct. That gives you 2 prizes and gives you another look at the puzzle. Select.
Number 5, please.
Red take.
Oh, was that number 17?
Yes. Red take is here. He has the recliner.
I'm going to hold for a minute, though. I'll keep some insurance.
Maybe Beth wants to
Insurance.
find Honolulu.
I would love to find
Let's
Honolulu.
open the 2 panels, though. Select again, please.
I need to see a bit more under number 9, please.
An evening party dress set.
How about a match under number 12?
Wild card. Well, the evening party dresses are coming to Beth Ann.
That's fantastic.
Ask you again about the take. Still
I'll
save
wait,
it?
please.
All right, let's open it. Select again.
Number 13, please.
Green
The
take.
green take. We haven't seen that. Let's check number 20.
Fireplace set. No match. Bruce.
Okay. Number 14.
Fireplace
Okay, and
set.
let's match that with number 20.
There is a match, and that's another prize for your side. This game is more important to you than it is to
Yes,
Beth Ann
it is.
because of that one strike against you. Can you solve this puzzle now?
Yes, tea time.
Tea time looks right to me. Tea time. Celebration time for Bruce. Let's go over to the board, Bruce. You get your chance to do this.
Oh, let's see. Starting off, we had the T down here, giving me the T plus the tie, plus the M gives me time. All of it is tea time.
Tea time. Nicely done. And you performed well when you had to, so that's good going. Beth Ann, just one strike against you, so we'll
I'll
see
be
you in
back.
game 2. You will be back in a little while. Right now, let's find out about these prizes. Gene, tell us.
10 shares of Tandy stock, a fireplace set, and a recliner. Lazy Boy recliner rocker. You may enjoy quality and comfort as you rock, recline, or relax. Furnished by Lazy Boy.
And he's earned a shot at the cars, and we'll put him to the test there when we return after this. Bruce was tightening his belt. He's very serious about this.
Gotta win this one.
All right, let's see if you can do it. 15 numbered squares go up on the screen, and now the clock with 35 seconds showing. Good luck, Bruce. Off you go.
2, 4,
No,
6, 8,
no,
10, 4,
no,
12, 14,
no,
1, 3,
no.
5, 12,
Right?
7, 9,
No,
11, 13,
no.
15, 2. I got stumped. I lost it.
Thought you had a pattern that was going to work for you, and it didn't quite work
Yes,
out
exactly.
that way. But that's all right. Hey, you've won the fireplace set, the stock, and that recliner, which is almost as good as a trip to Honolulu. But we'll have another great vacation in Game 2 after this. Bruce Sad is sad. He was hoping for a better finish to that bonus round, but that's all right. He may do it again if he gets there and if he wins this game. Depending on where you live, you don't have all that much time before you begin celebrating New Year's Eve. And here's one of the prizes for Game 2. Time's right.
This striking Old Town clock is 42 inches in diameter and features a specially designed cartouche face and custom black lacquered hand polish finish powered by a quartz movement furnished by DC Story and Company. Alex.
Marjorie is just a party girl. What a wonderful party girl she is. Thank you, Marjorie. Now take a nap. Beth Ann and Bruce, look at the board and we'll show you the black lacquer clock at position number 20. A Virginia Lake Resort holiday in this game. The 5 bonus car seconds and the cash pot is up to $600. And Beth Ann, you go first. Just 1 wild card available, however.
Okay, let me see what's under number 13.
Handcrafted. We're talking handcrafted area rug. This is not a machine. This is handcrafted.
Sounds nice. How about a match under that number 9?
Cash pot. No match. Bruce.
Okay, let's see if we can get something under number 7.
Golf clubs?
Golf clubs. Well, I'm not real good at it, but I enjoy it. Let's try golf clubs at number 24.
No. Crystal champagne glasses. Beth Ann, back to you.
Those would be nice. Let's see number 16, please.
Golf clubs.
Was that number 7?
Yep.
Thank goodness.
Number 7 and number 16. Make a match, and we get a look at the puzzle. Select again.
Number 8, please.
Red take.
And number 15.
Gas range. No match, so we go to Bruce.
Okay, let's try number 12.
Red take.
And match that red take with number 8.
You are right. I'm going to assume that since you indicated you're not very good at golf, that you have no interest in grabbing the golf clubs.
Very much so, very much so.
That's why they pay me the big bucks.
Okay.
Open it up, please. Pick again.
Still no idea. Let's look at number 10.
Golf lessons. Now this may
great.
change. This may change the value of the golf clubs.
Let's see if we can match that with number 2.
No, green take. Beth Ann.
Okay, let's see what's under number 1, please.
Virginia
Oh, boy.
Lake Resort holiday.
Boy, oh boy. Could I see number 6, please? Oh, boy.
We're talking handcrafted area, not machine made. This is handcrafted.
Let's
Bruce?
see if I can get that handcrafted area rug with number 13. And the match on number 6.
This man appreciates handcrafted area rug.
Good workmanship
Quality
and handcrafted.
workmanship, yes. Now, would you like to change your mind and use the take to grab the clubs?
I'm still not good enough in golf yet. We'll hold on.
You're not likely to improve in this half hour. Open these 2 doors. It's nice that they're all in the same area. Select again.
Still no idea. Let's look at number 19.
Pearl necklace.
Pearl necklace. I don't believe we've seen that. Let's check number 22.
Gas range. No match. Beth Ann?
Oh, was the gas range under number 15?
I think so.
And number 22.
Now, you did that. You made that match, which is good. But you made it so quietly, almost as if you weren't interested in a gas range.
Oh, I could use a gas range.
Yeah? I mean, you don't have anything against them, do you?
No, not
Would
at
you
all.
prefer an
Not
electric
at all.
range?
Maybe.
Well, you've got a gas
Yeah,
range.
I'm teasing.
Let's open it up. Pick again.
Number 14, please.
Pearl necklace.
And number 19? No, Oh, good.
No, yes,
I thought he picked number 14.
No, you know what happens when they're in the same area,
You get
same part of the
confused,
puzzle. You
yeah.
get confused.
So this is exciting.
You bet. All right, 2 doors opening up for you. Pick again.
Number 11.
Crystal champagne glasses.
Was that number 25?
We've seen them, haven't we? But
Oh,
not
no.
there. Bruce.
We have seen those. Let's look at number 24.
Yes.
And number 11.
Number 11 makes it a match. Now, since we last spoke, Beth Ann has put some more prizes in her column. Pearl necklace, gas range.
Actually, I'm going to take the pearl necklace.
All right. Pearl necklace.
Don't have a girl yet, but my mom will like that, so we'll take that.
Remember a little while ago he said there was no girl. Now all of a sudden he's going for the pearl necklace, and he's intimating that it's going to go to his mom.
It is.
Yeah.
It
Okay,
is.
Bruce. Let's take a look down here. Mom, you will never see that necklace. Trust
Not
me.
at this rate.
Select again.
Let's take a look at number 3.
Cash pot.
Oh, where was the cash pot? Number 20.
Black lacquer clock. Beth Ann.
I didn't think we saw the cash pot. But let's see number 9, please. And number 3.
If we didn't say it, why did you go to number 9? Just a guess.
Maybe I remembered and I didn't remember.
Okay. Open it up. Select again.
Number 17, please.
There's the wild card.
Number 1.
Number 1, she wants to see that part of the puzzle, and she wants the Virginia Lake Resort vacation. It's down at number 21 as well, so the left side of the board is about to be opened up. Pick again.
Number 23.
Black
And
lacquer
number
clock.
20.
There's another one. Beth Ann is doing it. Open these doors. Select again.
Oh. I got it.
Number 5, please.
Bruce has got it, but he may not get a chance to say it. 5 bonus car seconds.
Was it number 4? No?
Oh, no.
Oh, gosh.
No.
Here's
Bruce may
Bruce's
get a
chance.
chance to say it.
Number 25.
That's the 5 bonus car seconds.
Number 5.
The other 5 bonus car seconds.
I don't know how to take, so I can't take anything.
No, but there are 2 other prizes up there that you might be interested in if you figure you know how to make the matches.
We'll answer this one.
All right, let's open the doors, Bruce.
Don't cough in my face.
Don't cough in my face. Ever. And Bruce has done it. There you go, Bruce. Come on.
Oh! Had a hard time to start out with. Couldn't figure out what the dough was to start out with. But we have the dough plus the NT, don't, and then carrying the coffin, coming down, starting with the M, onto the I, the F plus the ace, don't cough in my face.
All right, well done. Boy, good solution, and you got control of the board because Beth Ann made a mistake there, but there was no way of predicting that error. You've got 2 strikes against
I'm happy for you. Good luck.
You've got some cash coming your way. You've got a
thrilled.
vacation at Jackson Hole and $10,384 in total prize winnings.
It's
So
been
congratulations to you, Beth Ann. Have a good time tonight. Happy New Year.
Thank you. You too.
All right, Bruce, some prizes for you once again. And here's Gene.
Crystal champagne glasses, and a handcrafted area rug. You may add a touch of the Southwest to your home with a beautiful handcrafted cotton dory rug in special custom colors. Designed for this collection, furnished by Emser International. And a pearl necklace, a matinee length cultured pearl necklace, 6 to 6.5 millimeter, beautifully adorned with a 14-karat gold clasp. From the fine jewelry collection of the Michael C. Fina Company. And the 5 bonus car seconds.
All right, Bruce. Now, he's promising that necklace to his mom. We'll find out later, and we'll also find out if he wins a brand new car when we come back. Bruce figures he's going to do it this time. Here are the 15 numbered squares. There would be 40 seconds on the clock, but he picked up those 5 bonus seconds, so that'll go to 45. Good luck, Bruce. Go to work.
1, 3,
No.
4, 6,
No.
1, 6,
Right.
7, 9,
No.
10, 12,
No.
13, 15,
No.
3, 2,
No.
5, 13,
Yes.
8, 11,
No.
3, 11,
Yes.
14, 10,
No.
2, 10,
Yes.
4, 15,
Yep.
7, 12,
Yep. Couple more seconds and you might have done it, but you've got over $2,291 in prizes, which is pretty good going, and you'll get to play again. Right now, we'll take a break after we hear from Gene.
Some of today's participants may receive Perone presents their truffles and other hand-dipped, pure, fresh chocolates for an exquisite dessert or wonderful gift. These delectable chocolates are elegantly packaged and furnished by Perone Chocolatier. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment.
From all of us to all of you, ladies and gentlemen, have a very happy New Year. Remember, if you're going out to celebrate tonight, get a designated driver. We'll see you next year. So long.
This is Gene Woods speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.